EduH. Chapter 2. Educational Psychology Meaning and Definition. Here are 25 multiple choice questions, MCQs, in educational psychology topic. 1. Which of the following is an aspect of psychology? A. Pure. B. Applied. C. Both pure and applied. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Both pure and applied. 2. What does pure psychology focus on? A. Formulating broad principles. B. Applying psychology in education. C. Investigating crime. D. Counseling patients. Answer. A. Formulating broad principles. 3. Which of the following is a branch of applied psychology? A. Educational psychology. B. Clinical psychology. C. Industrial psychology. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 4. In which field does educational psychology apply psychological principles? A. Industrial. B. Education. C. Criminal. D. Occupational. Answer. B. Education. 5. Educational psychology studies the experiences and behavior of which group? A. Teachers. B. Learners. C. Industrial workers. D. Psychologists. Answer. B. Learners. 6. Who defines educational psychology as that branch of psychology which deals with teaching and learning? A. Freud. B. Skinner. C. Piaget. D. Bandura. Answer. B. Skinner. 7. Which year did Skinner define educational psychology? A. 1948. B. 1958. C. 1968. D. 1978. Answer. B. 1958. 8. Educational psychology is considered a branch of which type of psychology? A. Clinical psychology. B. Pure psychology. C. Applied psychology. D. Crime psychology. Answer. C. Applied psychology. 9. Educational psychology is primarily concerned with the application of psychological principles to what? A. Educational situations. B. Clinical situations. C. Occupational settings. D. Industrial processes. Answer. A. Educational situations. 10. Which of the following is not a branch of applied psychology? A. Clinical psychology. B. Occupational psychology. C. Pure psychology. D. Industrial psychology. Answer. C. Pure psychology. 11. Educational psychology deals with human behavior in which context? A. Industrial. B. Occupational. C. Educational. D. Criminal. Answer. C. Educational. 12. Educational psychology can be described as an attempt to apply psychological knowledge to what field? A. Education. B. Medicine. C. Law enforcement. D. Business. Answer. A. Education. 13. Who are the primary subjects of study in educational psychology? A. Patients. B. Learners. C. Workers. D. Managers. Answer. B. Learners. 14. According to the text, what does pure psychology help formulate? A. Educational principles. B. Occupational rules. C. Broad principles and theories. D. Laws of behavior. Answer. C. Broad principles and theories. 15. Educational psychology primarily studies learners in relation to what? A. Their families. B. Their education. C. Their occupational roles. D. Their social lives. Answer. B. Their education. 16. Which field of psychology would be concerned with psychological principles in schools? A. Industrial psychology. B. Clinical psychology. C. Educational psychology. D. Crime psychology. Answer. C. Educational psychology. 17. Educational psychology helps apply psychological techniques to what type of behavior? A. Industrial behavior. B. Criminal behavior. C. Human behavior in educational settings. D. Human behavior in hospitals. Answer. C. Human behavior in educational settings. 18. What does applied psychology include according to the passage? A. Pure psychology principles. B. Practical applications in various fields. C. Only theoretical knowledge. D. Educational principles. Answer. B. Practical applications in various fields. 19. What branch of psychology focuses on crime? A. Occupational psychology. B. Crime psychology. C. Educational psychology. D. Clinical psychology. Answer. B. Crime psychology. 20. According to the passage, which aspect of psychology suggests techniques for studying human behavior? A. Pure psychology. B. Applied psychology. C. Both pure and applied. D. Clinical psychology. Answer. A. Pure psychology.